Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Mathematics Pro. Please do subscribe. Today, we'll be talking about quadratic formula. To go straight to the example, we're going to start with this example. We know that a quadratic equation is in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. So we can see that a is equals to 2, b is equals to minus 5, and c is equals to 2 as well. So a is equals to 2, b is equals to minus 5, c is equals to 2. So that is the first thing to do, to write the value of a, b, and c. So the next step is to write the formula, the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula is given by x is equals to minus b plus and minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So we know the formula, we just need to substitute the value of a, b, and c into the formula. But before you do that, if you don't want to make any mistake, it's good to put bracket on all the letters in the formula. So I'm going to put b in the bracket, this b in the bracket, a in the bracket, c in the bracket, and a in the bracket as well. So the next thing to do now is just to substitute the values. So formula x equals to minus, we just substitute the value, minus b, so b is minus 5, so I'm going to write minus 5 plus and minus square root so the next thing to do is to write b squared, bracket, we put b in the bracket, b is minus 5, we have square, minus 5 square, minus 4, a is 2, a minus 4ac, and c is 2 as well, divided by 2a, divided by 2, we write 2, a is 2, so we write 2. Okay, so we have to continue from here. X equals, okay, so many students are confused with this part. In mathematics, when we have two minus, a minus times a minus is a plus, minus times a minus is a plus, so minus times minus 5 is plus 5, so we just write 5. Continue with the formula, plus and minus, square root. Okay, so here is our focus, we have minus 5 square, so minus 5 square is the same as minus 5 times minus 5, because minus 5 square means 2 times. So as I said before, a minus times a minus is plus, So minus times minus is plus. We have 5 times 5. We're going to have 25. So all of this is the same as plus 25. Next, 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Then we have this minus sign. So we have minus 4 times 4 is 16 divided by 2a. So our denominator is 2 times 2. The denominator is 2 times 2, which is 4. Okay, we can simplify. We are going to have x equals to 5 plus and minus 25 minus 16 is 9. So we have the square root of 9 divided by 4. So at this point, we can easily calculate the two values of x. Why is it two values? Because we have two sign, plus and minus. Okay, but before we do that, let us talk a little bit about square root. The square root of 9 we know is 3, because 3 times 3 is 9. Square root of 16, 4 times 4 is 16, so the square root is 4. 25 is the same as 5 times 5, meaning the square root of 25 is 5. So x will be equals to, so we have this 5. We choose one of the symbol, so we can write plus first. The square root of 9 is 3 divided by 4. Next, we are going to have x equals to 5. Before we started by choosing plus, now let us choose minus. Minus square root of 9, which is 3 divided by 4. So if we simplify this, x will be equal to 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 divided by 4, which is 2. Next, 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So we are going to have 2 divided by 4, which is the same as half. So our answer is equals to 2 or half. So this is our answer, and that is all for today.